How to install IDM. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to go right here on our browser. And then once you are now on your browser on the search bar, just search for IDM download and then just click enter. Once you do that, just scroll down right here until you see this Internet Download Manager right here. So make sure that you are in the correct website, which is this one. And then once you are now here, you will see this Download Internet Download Manager. And you will see that it is free for 30 days. So just click that Download Internet Download Manager. And then let's wait for this to finish. And then once you do that, just click Open File right here. And then once you're here, just click Next. And then click I accept. Then click Next again. And then if you want to create an icon for IDM on desktop, if you want that, just click check. Or if you don't want it, just unclick this, uncheck this. So I'm just going to click Next and then click Next again. And then as you can see, it is now finished. So if we click Finish right here, and if you want to open it, you can just go here on the search bar and then search for IDM and then click this one. Then once you click that, it should open. So click this turn on extension. And then once it is turned on, let's go back right there and open it again, IDM. And as you can see, we now have completely and successfully downloaded IDM on Windows 11. So once again, that is how to install IDM.